Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Break. You might notice we're not in the office.
No, we're at Coachella!
She said Coachella.
I did say Coachella, and obviously Lily picked this stellar house, not because of the pool or the waterfall or the fire pit or the 4 bedrooms, because this house has a basketball court.
Hey everyone, I did bring my basketball. Court was waiting for us. So I'm gonna play that a little later. Maybe you can see it on lunchy break. But for now, we're going to focus on the essentials of what we brought for our entire trip to Coachella.
Mostly just glitter. Let's go. Okay.
So last year we did a what's in our Coachella bag, meaning like what we were bringing to the festival.
Exactly.
We didn't want to be redundant, so this year we're doing what we just brought on this trip.
Like in our suitcases, which how many did you bring? It's
It was
really
so embarrassing because Nicole, our editor, drove with me, so she got to my apartment and
how did she even fit her stuff in there?
She had this little duffel and she walked in, I go, that's all you brought? I literally was like, what do you mean? And then I literally have a giant suitcase full of all my stuff that's like the kind that it's not a carry-on, you'd have to check it.
Right, right, of course.
And then I have a smaller one, that away suitcase we have,
love
that just is holding toiletries.
Well, I have to tell you, I actually had to go out to Ross Dress for Less yesterday to purchase a brand new Samsonite suitcase that is as big as this table.
Not Spawn.
Not Spawn, but like, I love your work. Just to fit all my stuff. I have 2 small suitcases, 1 large suitcase, 2 backpacks, and a nice chest.
I don't even want to talk about how many other random bags I have. Just like in the car or loose. So many hats, so many sunglasses. Let's begin.
Let's begin. So Lil, kick us off. What did you bring in your bag?
Okay, so we don't want to focus too much on clothing because like it would take literally 8 years, but I wanted to bring 2 bodysuits that I purchased.
And this one is very,
well, so this
very
one
sexual.
is actually a bathing suit. It's from Moo Moo, and
Love
I'm obsessed with it. But this I found yesterday. I didn't dye my hair rainbow, as you might see, but I still wanted to live in my rainbow world.
Right, your aesthetic, your Coachella
Forever
aesthetic.
21 had this, and it just screamed my name.
This is so cute, even for the beach.
I'm obsessed with it.
That's so cute.
I believe it's also a bathing suit.
It is a swimsuit.
But it works.
Oh my
much
gosh.
more importantly, you guys.
You guys, this is so exciting! I've seen it.
You might know this is our 3rd year at Coachella, so now we're like...
We're veterans.
I was gonna say veterans, experts, whatever you want to call it. You guys might also know Jocelyn's obsession with
FASHUN.
FASHUN, which is spelled UN.
Because it's like very innovative and also probably not that fashionable, but it's fashion.
This is
Life's
a
too short.
custom bodysuit that I ordered.
You don't understand how excited I am about
It's
this.
too windy, you can't see it.
Look at this masterpiece.
FASHUN.
Also, you guys, I have to let you know, sneaky peeky, I may or may not be selling FASHUN shirts very, very soon.
Not this.
Not
this
this
is
one.
like a special edition one, but I got it off GameDayBay.com.
Which I love that website, by the
expensive.
way.
It was great.
I'm also wearing a bodysuit. Mine's not a swimsuit. I got this at HM. And yes, I know who Guns N' Roses are.
I was just gonna
Tuesday,
say, name 2 songs.
November Rain is my favorite because Stephanie Seymour in that video dies, but she's so beautiful. And she like was the first person ever that I was like, oh, I want to be a bride like that. That's really the only one that sticks out to me at the moment. But Axl Rose, wow. Spoiler alert, the dino got out.
We bought a dino.
Oh my gosh, look at Peter running after that dinosaur.
Peter, don't let the dino fight you!
First things first, Fanny Packs. Everybody's calling them waist bags now because they're trying to rebrand and be like, we're not Fanny Packs anymore, we're waist bags. But how effing cute is this
But
one?
Fanny Packs are so fun.
I love this because look, it's just like a satch for your waist where you can be like, oh, I want to take a
Hands-free.
picture. Let me pull
Well,
it
and
out
your
right
hands free so you can do your dancing.
100%. I love a good waist bag. I brought about 50 of them with me. Yeah, so I love these shoes. I love a good metallic. I love wearing things at Coachella you wouldn't necessarily wear every single day, and these
Totally
are super affordable. Tan lines would be fun on these.
No, just so dusty and
you
windy.
can check your makeup and the reflection.
Not the best mirror, but it does kind of blur everything together like a Snapchat filter.
Oh, also one more thing I have to point out. Obviously, I brought all my hats. These sunglasses, though, on my Instagram story last night, I said, hey, I'm gonna pack these sunglasses. Are they cute? Yes or no?
Different say no.
84% said no. So listen up, y'all. I brought 2 pairs.
Of the same ones?
Because last year y'all were hating on the hat, and guess what? Every person in the world's gonna be wearing this freaking hat to Coachella. And you know what? I'm gonna be early on this glasses game too. So boom. Obviously.
Okay, so my biggest accessory this year, because I didn't dye my hair, is...
Ooh, these are so pretty, Lil.
They look a little janky now because I have them in my suitcase, but these are pre-dyed pastel colored extensions.
Are these the ones that you got custom done?
No, they were just on Etsy, actually.
Oh, really?
My queen looks by Laurel ordered them for me. So shout out to her. Go follow her on Instagram. And we already did a beauty trip in where we try this
So
and
cute.
all of these and this and so many temporary things. And you just need to go watch now. The description. The Links in the description below. Done.
Ooh, that's a fun curler.
I know this is just a curling iron, but I saw it at Target and I literally bought it because it's rainbow.
That is very, very fun.
It just felt like it was very on brand, and my curling iron's been kind of like a piece of shit
It
anyway.
chose you. It really
did.
selected you. Speaking of accessories, I've got this really cool hair coil. I've been loving these lately because you can put your hair up and you don't get any like bumps in your hair. I have my Jenna Michelle earrings on. Misty's sister, Misty, who used to work at Clevver, her sister has a jewelry brand, Jenna Michelle.
Guys, why do we
Aren't
know
they
multiple
cute?
people with jewelry brands? I'm just like jealous that
Oh my
we are.
gosh, Jessica Burgo's necklace.
Guys, one of our coworkers is like a secret jewelry genius, and this
She made
is
this for me.
by Perrin and Stone. Go follow them on Instagram too. I'm wearing one of her necklaces tomorrow. I'm so excited.
Love this bag. Hypothetical, I think is how you pronounce it. It has a crossbody strap.
I thought you were just saying hypothetical, like hypothetical. I was like,
No.
Dawson, are you really tired?
No, isn't this cute? It's like fringe, so Coachella.
Not really my style, but I actually
Don't
like
you
it.
love it? It's really, really cute. Fits a lot of stuff.
These little things, can you see?
Those
If you can't, it's okay
very
because I'm
cool.
gonna put them on. They're fake nose rings. Everyone always tells me I should get my nose pierced, and I'm always like, oh, feels a little aggressive. But temporary ones aren't aggressive.
These are cute. You have so many colors. Oh no, I don't want them to blow away.
What color should I do? I feel like black.
Yeah, black might be fun. It
Feels
might might really stand out on your face.
I asked in an episode one time if I looked edgy, and someone commented, was like, if you have to ask, you probably aren't.
Oh my god.
Do I look cool?
You are such an edgy
Jill's
queen.
nodding yes.
Let me,
Yeah?
oh my gosh, do you see yourself in my reflection?
No.
Give me your sunglasses. Or wait, I'll give you my shoe and you can look at yourself in that.
No. Ooh, I actually do like it.
You look cool.
Ooh, this is fun. It kind of tickles. Okay, what else do we have?
Okay, so more accessories. Also, I love my custom Vans. They have flamingos on them. I got to pick out the fabrics and everything. I wear these literally, you guys, like every day.
I just ordered custom Converse, but I just didn't really want to show them off because I don't know if I'm for sure wearing them this weekend, but
You
I
want
do
people to
have
be
them and you'll
surprised.
see them soon.
Okay, so let's move on to products that are either going to enhance us or save our lives.
Necessities, yes.
Oh my
Guys,
gosh, Lil.
I think I would die without baby powder. Actually, correction, I did die the first year we came.
I remember. That was so dark.
We were walking out of the festival, and I'm just gonna.
And your feet
And I'm trying to do
hurt.
it so no one would notice, so it wouldn't be embarrassing. But then I'd be
No.
like, Jocelyn, we have to stop for like a minute.
This is a good little travel size, so it'll fit inside your fanny pack.
I want to try this year because this is actually a Thigh Rescue anti-chafe stick by Mega Babe. It looks like it's like a deodorant. And then this one is an anti-boob sweat.
Oh, I wish this was an issue for me.
I actually have pretty big boobs and mine don't sweat that much. So
Oh, really? Maybe this year will be the year that you'll experience
I'll
that.
bring it just in
How
case.
fun. So Kate Somerville, who you guys know we're obsessed with, created this new sunscreen that's a makeup setting spray. So you put on all your makeup, which I literally just did, then you go like this. And it
It
smells
smells nice.
really refreshing. It works. I've been using this. I used this in Hawaii all last week.
Again, all of this is not spawn, but you
No.
know I love something that kills two birds with one stone. And
100.
I already feel like I'm like, ooh, every time I do the face spray, so this will be nice.
Another thing that you know we're obsessed
She is
with.
pulling stuff out of her fanny
Duh,
pack.
you guys, functional and fashionable. What else could you want from a waist bag? Our girl Dana Ward, Pre-Heels Queen, just created this teeny tiny little travel size version of Pre-Heels, and I'm not kidding you. This stuff will save your life.
Well, and I feel like it is called pre-heels, but it should be noted it works on all shoes.
Yes.
It's basically like an anti-blister thing, which at Coachella, I literally get so many blisters.
Oh, you can get them. You can get this from any new shoe that you're not prepared for, and it's not even the shoe's fault. It's just like the way life is.
It's not the shoes'
Don't
fault.
blame the shoes, guys. Anywho, love this, and look at how it fits in. Boop, boopity boop.
Okay, more hair things, but also they double as face things too. It's just like a straight up glitter for
Oh my
hair
gosh.
and body.
The names
so this
are
is by
amazing.
Lemonhead. So we have
Paradise Beef.
Birthday Bitch and Lady Mercury. So it,
Birds.
some
Oh my gosh, there's
angry
animals out here. Ooh, this is never
Ooh,
coming
should we
off.
I was gonna say, do we do designs or like?
Do you want me to put it on your back?
No.
Are you sure?
If you don't use a lot either, it can spread out, and then it's just like a subtle body glitter.
Okay, now speaking of body glitter, we
Like,
have
10-year-old me is like, this is so cool.
rainbow body glitter, but guess what? 2 for 1. It's also sunscreen.
See, this is what I need because I always forget sunscreen, but I'm not gonna forget body glitter.
And this is glitter
I
for
hate
after
myself.
sun. It's for soothing and cooling, so it's like, oh no, I
Wait,
got
no, but this is the
sunburned.
glitter I'm excited about, guys.
What is it?
It's a dry shampoo
What?
with glitter.
Stop.
You know how much I love dry shampoo.
You guys, who knew glitter was solving all the
So
world's
it's a powder,
problems?
which might feel weird for some people because I know a lot of the time you use a spray.
Right.
I use a lot of baby powder for
In your
chafing
hair.
and my hair. It's nice and glittery.
That looks like that moon dust we ate that one time. Do you think this is edible?
No, don't.
Let me see. It says it's vegan, so.
That doesn't.
And it's mostly made of clay. So let's take a bite. Oh my gosh, it actually tastes really good. Like it tastes like
Don't
cupcake
eat
mix.
it.
Unless you're really hungry. Then take it. Ooh.
I don't really know how to put it in. It's
Lil,
so windy. I just went
flying
for
through
it.
the wind. That was cool.
Do I look sparkly?
A little bit.
I think we have to use more. But,
I think it's used more.
So this one, the dry shampoo, also lemon head. So these three.
All lemon head. And these two are from Sunshine Glitter. This is the sunscreen and then the after sun treatment. Speaking of sparkles though, Fenty, you know we're a huge fan. We've tried like almost everything she's done. And this apparently is some sort of like body glitter that, I mean, look at how, this is some sort of body lava. Okay, wow. And smell it. Oh my gosh, this is probably what she smells like.
See that? It's not like overpowering. It's just like a
No,
little
this
shimmer.
is like, makes you look like you just like, I don't know,
Look
lifted.
at my hand.
Dang. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on my legs.
I'm gonna put this all over my
Do you
whole
see
body.
that? Oh my gosh.
Guys, I'm a big fan.
Damn.
This is my favorite thing.
Oh, but wait,
Protection
I have
is
one more thing in my fanny pack. I forgot.
What?
Okay, when you get back from Coachella, you look nasty. You are so dirty, so disgusting. You're covered in glitter, you're covered in dust, you're covered in makeup. I freaking love this stuff from Origins. It's a jelly you put on your face, and I'm not kidding you. Everything melts off. Prove it tomorrow to yourself when you come home.
If we're being real, I think we both know I'm gonna come home and not take off any of my makeup off. But you can try it and it'll be fun.
I will.
Guess what, guys? You
What?
might think we're done right now,
We're
but as we said, this is like what we brought to Coachella, not just like on this table. We brought some stuff for like fun in the backyard.
Yay!
Too.
What do we have?
Let's go. Oh my goodness, that was so fun. We love playing in the backyard.
I love it. It almost seems like we haven't done it
And
yet.
my hair dried so fast.
You guys, we're gonna be at Coachella for the rest of the weekend. It's only Saturday. We're gonna be here all day tomorrow through Monday. So make sure you're following us on the social media so that you can come along with us on this journey.
At Chelsea Davis, at Lily_Marston. Follow at Clevver because we're gonna be all over there too.
All over
and
the place.
if you have not subscribed yet,
Come on, guys, please.
shame on you.
It's Coachella.
Coachella. Oh, P.S. Go watch our Coachella app if you're bored, just because like it's funny.
It really holds up, guys. All right,
bye.
For even more Coachella content, click to the left to see what I ended up doing to my hair this year, or click to the right to see a sketch if Coachella was your office.